Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this authentic Jamaican jerk seasoning. For the ingredients we have scallions, 2 small onions, fresh thyme, ginger, Scotch Bonnet Peppers. I will be leaving one whole and removing the seed from the other one because I don't want it to be too spicy. Please adjust according to your spice tolerance. If you don't like your food to be too spicy, you can reduce the amount of pepper. Here I have pimento, same thing as allspice, and this is what gives the jerk its unique and distinct flavor. Freshly grated nutmeg. If you don't have fresh, you can use grounded instead. Black pepper, sugar, and some lime juice. You can also substitute the lime juice for lemon juice or distilled white vinegar. Over here I have some browning for color, and I'll be blending with some olive oil. You need a neutral oil to blend it so that it doesn't overpower the rest of the flavors that we have here. Today I'm using some olive oil. You can substitute for vegetable oil as well. And I almost forgot, I'm adding a few cloves of garlic as well. I won't be adding any salt to this because I like to salt my food according to taste, but feel free to add some if you wish. Now, as you can see here, the ingredients are very similar to the green seasoning blend, with the exception of a few ingredients, of course, and I'll link that video above as well as in the description box below. Ingredients are already peeled and washed, so I'm going to rough chop them and add them to my blender. So we're going to blend, and we want the consistency to be a little bit chunky. And then transfer to a container, preferably glass. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make Jamaican jerk seasoning. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it to be helpful. If you did, hit the like button, share and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Join the family and help us reach our first 1,000 subscribers. Remember, you're welcome to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_ if you try this or any of my other recipes, and don't forget to follow me as well. Follow me on all my other socials, which are also linked down in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.